Okay, we're gonna do a print example here. I have the multifamily poster. We will use this brand template. From here, then you can see there's 2 pages, so you can choose which photo you like. I am gonna go with this one, so just delete that page. And then this is where you would open up the brand and choose your specific DBA. So here we're gonna do Puerto Rico. You can see the black and orange logo. You can just drag and drop it right there. If for whatever reason the frame cuts off any part of the logo, then I recommend just clicking it in and then sizing it down to where you need it to be and then drag it. From here, then we would just update the info specific to your DBA. So the URL here, your location, and then for printing, we go share, download. We want to do a PDF print. Crop marks and bleed marks are going to be important for this one because as you can see, we have a bleed here on these 2 edges, meaning the image goes off the edge. And so then you cut it down so then you don't have that awkward white border. Then for color profile, we want to do CMYK. This is so the printer reads it right and it doesn't come out super different. Usually it will just make it, if you do it in RGB and send it to the printers, it will make it a little bit more dull. And then we can do download. And then that's how you have it. You just save the name and send it off to your printer.